Hey guys, it is Keisha here on Keisha Knows, and today's video is all about the best name brands you can find at Dollar Tree. Do me a solid and make sure you subscribe if you are not a subscriber, and hello to all the new subscribers and hello to all the returning subscribers. I'm so happy to have you here. Also, make sure you thumbs up the video. I would appreciate it so much. It allows more people to see the videos and spread all of the Dollar Tree goodness. Meyer's Clean Day hand soap and dish soap. Now this is something that is in the plus section at Dollar Tree. Yes, now that they have a plus section, they can give us new goodies and brand name goodies. And they do have the Meyer's hand soap and the dish soap there. They range from $3 to $5, and they have 2 cents, I think, available. They have 2 cents available in the Meyer's Clean Day, and it's an affordable price. I mean, it saves you an extra trip to Walmart if you're not wanting to go to any other stores. You can just get what you need at Dollar Tree. Also in the plus section are the Lysol disinfecting wipes. I've bought these Lysol wipes in their plus section before, and for $5, this is a good deal, I think. I mean, you can probably find it for cheaper every once in a while at maybe Target or Walmart. But I think that finding it at Dollar Tree in the plus section is great. They have the Zep cleaner, and this is a really good cleaner. A lot of people swear by this brand. They have the mildew and mold cleaner from the brand Zep. And I think they have another disinfecting cleaner or everyday cleaner from Zep as well. And this was in the plus section, but it was very affordable. This is a good brand. A lot of people swear by the Zep brand. You can find it at Lowe's, and it costs a little bit more at Lowe's as compared to Dollar Tree. Tidy Bowl is also a very good and well-known brand name. I didn't think that this was the best deal, but I don't know for sure. I don't usually use these Tidy Bowl tablets when I clean my toilet, so I can't really tell you for sure. They had 5 tablets for $3, so I think that's a pretty good deal, but I can't say for certain, you guys, so don't hold me to that. But this is a brand name that you can find at Dollar Tree in the plus section. Speaking of cleaning products, I have to mention Ajax and Comet and Fabuloso cleaning products. They are a staple at Dollar Tree, and they are super affordable, and they have all kinds of scents there, you guys. So it's a great way to clean your house and get it nice smelling good and all of that. They had scents that I didn't even know they had there, especially in the Fabuloso. So these are great brands for cleaning your home with, and you can use them in more ways than one, and that's a good deal for $1.25. I know I use Ajax or Comet to clean my tub all the time. Like, that is what I go. If I don't have Ajax or Comet, I just feel like I'm cheating myself. Of course, I have to mention the LA Total Awesome products that they have there. They've expanded. They also have an ammonia, which I don't like the smell of ammonia. I don't think I'm going to like the LA Total Awesome ammonia either. So I have not used that product, that's for sure. And they also have an orange cleaner in the LA Total Awesome. People swear by this as well. 4 or 5 stars, whatever you can give it. Arm & Hammer, they have the scent boosters there, and they have the laundry detergent there. And then they also have the refrigerator refresher, and I think they just have the actual Arm & Hammer powder as well, that you can sprinkle on your carpets and stuff. That is a brand that I go to a lot and use when it comes to cleaning my home. So I'm so glad that Dollar Tree carries it there. It's just a staple. I love using it, like I said, and it's just kind of something you grow up using when it comes to cleaning and freshening your home. And Glade and Air Wicks products to freshen your home. They have aerosol sprays. They also have the essential oil plug-in refills there too. And they have those little, what are they called, you guys? I guess they're just like the cones. The old school cones, they have them. If you're wondering, do they still sell those things? Yes, they do, and you can find them at Dollar Tree. Moving right along, another brand that they have at Dollar Tree is Disney products. This is great for kids, especially younger kids. They have flashcards, alphabet cards, and cards to help them learn their numbers. And they have all of the Disney characters. They have Pooh Bear, they have the Disney princesses, they have Toy Story, they have Sesame Street. They have it all. They have SpongeBob. If it's under the Disney umbrella, they have some sort of kids learning tool there. Crayola. Crayola is a brand that they carry there, and they have pretty much all of the Crayola stuff there. They have all the crayons, color pencils, regular pencils, they have erasers, they have markers, Crayola, everything there. And that's great because I do remember a time when I was younger and going into Dollar Tree and they did not have Crayola in there. They had kind of one of the cheaper brands of crayons and stuff. And y'all know it's hard to beat Crayola whenever you really want to get your color on. So it's so great that they have Crayola brand there at Dollar Tree for the cheap. And they have a good amount too. So it's just wonderful that they have it there, and they have such a huge variety of their products. And something you may not think of, but the card section, they carry Hallmark cards there. It's the Hallmark Heartline line. That sounded weird to say, but it's the Hallmark line called Heartline. There we go. So it's an affordable brand of Hallmark, or sub-brand of Hallmark. I always go to Dollar Tree for my cards. I just think that it's a great way to find an affordable card, and you really never know if the person that you're buying cards for is someone who really appreciates them, or if they're just kind of gonna open them up and look for money or a gift card or something like that, and then toss the card. So you can find a good sentimental card without spending a lot of money. And sometimes you just don't have the money to spend, so you have to do the best you can. It's great that Hallmark has an affordable line that's carried at Dollar Tree. Secret deodorant. I think that it's great that they carry Secret deodorant there. They don't have a big variety there, but they do offer it there along with some of the other deodorant brands. But I want to just mention Secret because that's the one that I usually use. So I just want to mention that one. And they, like I said, they don't have a big selection, but they got something for you, girl. Colgate is a staple. It's been around for decades, and lots of people use it. So they have toothbrushes and toothpaste there. I think they also might have floss, but I'm not 100% sure. Anytime I need to replace my toothbrush, I just go over to Dollar Tree because I know I'm going to get a good deal, and I'm going to find a good toothbrush. Now, to each his own, but that's just what I do. Also, speaking about personal care, they have the soap brands Zest and Dial and Irish Spring, and sometimes Dove soaps there. I really wish they would carry the exfoliating bar sometimes. Sometimes you can find it there, but it's a hit and a miss. They usually just carry regular Dove and also the sensitive skin Dove bars. You can find the bar soaps of these brands at Dollar Tree, very affordable. I think the Irish Spring, you can get like a 3-pack or something of the bar soaps, which is really good. I personally don't use the Dial soap because when I use Dial, it strips my skin, and I don't like that. So I do not like how stripping it is to my skin, so I don't mess with Dial, y'all. But if you do, it's there. They have the Glad trash bags there, but they only have like a 5 count. They also have the sandwich bags there, which is the normal amount of 20 sandwich bags. They do have that there, and they also carry a few hefty products too. And I want to mention the Refresh Car Care brand. They carry a lot of the air fresheners for your vehicles. So they have the vent clips, different ones, different sizes. They also have the car air fresheners that dangle from your rear view mirror. I don't know what you would call those. I guess just car fresheners. But they have a wide variety of scents. They have the strawberry and vanilla and new car scent and all that good stuff. Fresh Mountains, whatever, stuff like that. They have it there, and that's a really, really good brand. And I like that they carry a big variety. That's all I have, guys. I know I mentioned a lot of items, but it's really great that Dollar Tree carries all of these brand names there, so you can find a good deal and still get a good, reliable brand. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you thumbs up the video, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you next time. Bye.